Hey everybody, this is Mr. Sheridan. Today is October 23rd. This is 7th grade science. I hope you're all having a great day. So today in class, we did a lot of small group work. We put everybody in groups and they were asked to talk to each other about what we observed yesterday with the homemade bath bombs. So we had A, B, C, and D. We wanted to figure out one thing specifically that each bath bomb, one observation that you made that was specific to that particular bath bomb. So then we could start to isolate and identify what exactly was in those bath bombs as we try to figure out what exactly they are, how they interact with the water, why they act the way that they do. So the couple things that we came up with. So for letter A, we said that it was pink in color. It was the first to dissolve and it was harder. So it didn't fizz as much because it didn't have the same soft consistency as some of the other ones did. B was really, really fizzy. It left an oily residue on top. And if you remember, that was actually like it was like a yellowish color. And then when it was still dry, it was an off-white or kind of a cream color. C, it was solid and had like a sandy, grainy texture. It looked like when it got dropped in the water, it looked like Sprite, that because it was super bubbly and it was clear. And then when it was dry, it was very white, as opposed to B, which was kind of an off-white or cream color. And then D was the one that had like a yellowish tinge to it. And then when you dropped it in the water, it was almost like a lime, kind of a greenish yellow type color. And then it had a lemonade smell. So a couple things that we observed. And then as an exit ticket, we asked students to put up a couple things that they thought could have been ingredients that were in those bath bombs. And we had a lot of baking soda and a lot of citrus things. And we had some salt and that sort of thing that people threw out there as possible ingredients that were in those bath bombs. So we're going to work more on that next week, but hope that you can make it to class because we're going to do a lot more discussions and a lot more observing and talking about our observations and making models. I do want to ask that you make sure that you have a science notebook because we are going to do a lot of writing things down and you are going to have to turn some of those things in as well. You'll have to take pictures with your iPad or with your camera so that you can get them turned in and I can see that you're recording things in your notebooks. So if you absolutely cannot find a notebook that you can use for science, please email me and let me know, and we will make sure that you get one. We will talk to you soon. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you Monday.